guys, today we're going to do a clean with me in my bedroom. The ceiling has been fixed. It was from Hurricane Michael. It's finally been fixed. The blinds, when they did the ceiling, the blinds tore up on them. So I'm fixing to take those down. And Sarah will be recording